Philip is a successful business owner who's ready to retire and wants to access the equity in his business so it can continue to support him throughout retirement. Jackie owns a number of investment properties, but has grown tired of maintenance, tenants, and management issues. She wants to simplify her life and use her equity in other ways. Now that the kids are out on their own, Tom and Amy are thinking more about the prospects of downsizing their home to something smaller and closer to family that can give them access to some of their equity for retirement. They've each got different assets and different situations, but they all have a similar desire to simplify their life and benefit from their hard-earned equity. Each of them could sell and invest the cash elsewhere, but if they do, it's likely they could pay Uncle Sam 20 to 50% or even more of the profits from the sale. So how did they keep their proceeds working for them and their families? They called the folks at deferredtax.com and learned about a structure called the Deferred Sales Trust. Using this strategy, an asset is sold to the Deferred Sales Trust, and a trustee agrees to buy the asset for a set price in exchange for an installment note payable to the sellers. The trust then sells the asset to the end user, and the cash doesn't end up in the hands of the original seller. It stays in the trust. There are a multitude of benefits to this transaction, but chief among them are tax deferral. The original sellers never took possession of the cash, so the tax owed is deferred. The money can be invested and grow inside the trust. Since this is an installment sale and they are the lien holders, they can begin to receive payments in just about whatever dollar amount or frequency they choose. Since taxes were deferred, more money from the sale of the asset can continue to work for the original sellers, possibly for the rest of their lives. In fact, their kids can also inherit the trust intact. These three simple scenarios are only a few examples. There are obviously many more, both simple and complex. There are many ways to apply this tax strategy, either individually or in combination with others.
Hi, I'm Michael Wallace. I'm CEO and founder of Wallace Investments. We specialize in implementation of tax strategies to save money on your taxes every year. Probably have more tax strategies than anyone else. We have a specialized program where we can actually prepare your tax return and implement our specialized tax strategies free of charge. If you're interested, see my contact information. Thank you.